Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing exactly what you need and why. This reduces risk and increases response rates. Once defined, add clear consent language adjacent to input fields and capture a timestamp and source. Make sure to configure storage locations and access permissions immediately because security must exist before collection. If you use third-party tools, verify their privacy controls now. These first steps prevent rework and legal problems later, so do them deliberately and document your decisions as you implement the form. Next, you create the data flow. Start with lean forms using progressive disclosure and client-side validation to reduce friction. This improves completion rates. Then map each field to your CRM and analytics platform, assigning stable ID to prevent mismatches. Once mapped, automate tags and segments so new records are usable immediately. Make sure consent flags sync across systems and set up error logging and retry logic. This keeps data consistent and prevents lost leads during spikes or outages. Finally, run end-to-end tests that include mobile, slow networks, and privacy validation to confirm consent and retention behavior. Once tests pass, roll out in stages while monitoring ingestion queues, error rates, and conversion metrics in real time. Make sure alerting is configured for sudden drops or spikes. If something fails, use your rollback plan. Replay queued events from backups, apply fixes, and validate corrected records. This minimizes customer impact and preserves trust after an incident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.